I don't know how many miles it is, but this sign doesn't say. Oh, look at that, 3.3. It was, this is 3.3 miles. Hey guys, we're Andy and Nichelle with CDA Idaho, and today we are going to hike Mineral Ridge. It is just east of Coeur d'Alene. It's a hike that we recommend our customers go on quite a bit, so we're going to take you guys along with us today and check it out. we just finished the Mineral Ridge hike. It was pretty fun. I don't know how many miles it is, but this sign doesn't say. Oh, look at that, 3.3. This is 3.3 miles. Anyways, it was pretty fun with kids. We just, yeah, I don't know. It was cold. This is March 2nd, 2020, so it was a little cold towards the end of that hike. Really windy at the top.
It was fun.
But it was fun. It was a good.
It was hard on the kids, but they did great.
Right.
Yeah.
How much time did it take us? 2 hours?
It took yes.
Up and back?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was pretty slow pace. So, yep. Thanks for coming with us.
I like the hike, but I definitely should pack lighter next time. What I don't really like is that my foot keeps hurting and that I was too tired. I liked it that when we went down, it was a lot faster and easier to go. When we were going up, it was hard to keep a happy heart.
Would you do this hike again?
Kind of, a little shorter one.
A little shorter one?
Yeah.
All right, we are rolling and
What do we say?
I don't know.
ready to go.
Guys, welcome. We are today. Hey,
How about introduce Andy and Michelle? So.
hey guys, this is Andy. This is Michelle.